We often want to upload a photo as our Facebook cover photo, but most of the time, the picture with us isn't in the same aspect ratio as a cover photo. So we need to adjust it. If you set it without adjusting, sometimes the parts you want to highlight won't show up. Sometimes even your face gets cut off. That's why you should adjust the photo before uploading it as a cover photo. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. First, open the Facebook app. At the top, you'll see 3 lines. Tap on those 3 lines. Once you do that, you'll see your profile name. Tap on your profile name. Now you'll see your current cover photo. Tap on it. After tapping, you'll get 2 options, upload photo and choose cover photo. If you wanted to pick a new photo from your gallery, tap upload photo. If you've already posted a photo on Facebook and want to use that, tap choose cover photo. Anyway, for this example, I'm tapping upload photo. Now just select the photo you want to set as your cover photo. For example, I'm choosing this one. Here you can see the top part with the text is getting cut off. If you want that part to show too, just tap and drag the photo wherever you want. I'm adjusting it like this. You can move it in any direction with one finger. I'm keeping it like this. Once you're happy, just tap the save button at the top. After you tap save, your cover photo will be updated. Now you can see the new cover photo here. That's it. This way you can easily adjust your cover photo before uploading. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.